This course aims to strengthen operational control discipline and risk awareness in day-to-day branch banking activities. Participants will learn how to manage end-to-end branch workflows, including account opening, cash handling, service requests. A bank branch operates through a sequence of interconnected activities that together form the complete operational workflow. Mapping this workflow means clearly understanding how a transaction or customer request travels from the moment it enters the